Everything you see around you is governed by rules that completely break down once you zoom in to the subatomic level. Today, we're exploring the bizarre quantum realm, where reality stops behaving a clockwork machine and starts acting a glitchy video game. Understanding these principles is essential because they form the foundation of your smartphone, lasers, and even modern medicine. The first rule, breaker, is superposition. In our daily lives, an object is always in one place at one time. However, a quantum particle, an electron, exists in a cloud of probabilities. It occupies every possible state simultaneously until you decide to measure it. Think of a spinning coin that's both heads and tails until it hits the table. Why does nature collapse this infinite potential into a single outcome? That remains one of physics' greatest mysteries. Next is quantum entanglement, famously dubbed spooky action at a distance by Einstein. When two particles become entangled, they share a single existence regardless of the space between them. If you flip the spin of one particle here on Earth, its partner instantly reacts on the other side of the galaxy. This happens faster than light, defying our traditional understanding of cause and effect. Finally, we have the observer effect, which suggests that the act of looking changes the outcome of an experiment. Particles behave waves of energy until a measurement forces them to pick a position. Is reality objective, or is it constructed by our interaction with it? Stick around, because this leads us to the wildest implication of all, the many worlds interpretation. In short, quantum mechanics proves that at its core, the universe is probabilistic, interconnected, and fundamentally influenced by the observer. It reminds us that common sense is often just a limitation of our human perspective. If this mind-bending journey made you question reality, hit the button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of our universe.